This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Derik Baumgartner. 2-bed 2-bath second floor corner condo offered fully furnished. Sliding glass doors open to large glass enclosed porch from living room and master bedroom. Spacious storage closet on porch. Newer may see in 2014. Great location, just a short walk to community clubhouse with pool, dance hall, library, gym, shuffleboard and workshop. Close to shopping, restaurants, and beaches. Interview required prior to closing. Please visit www.vistapines.com for application and rules and regulations. Sold is with right to inspect. $100 application fee. No pets or pickup trucks. For more information, review the details below or contact Derik Baumgartner at 772-283-2800.